Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I'm going to have a productive day. These past few months have been pretty shit for me, so I've gone through like betrayal and heartbreak and yeah, I just feel like I've been wasting these past few months. Now I'm gonna just take my power back and I'm gonna do things for me. So I'm gonna have a productive day instead of rotting away in bed like I did, you know, a few weeks ago. Not a few weeks ago, okay, last week. Okay, this is why I'm vlogging, so I can take accountability and I can look back at this and be like, yeah, she stuck by to what she said. I'm gonna make a list. I'm gonna pop it here. So we're gonna go to the gym, we're gonna make breakfast, we're gonna do our laundry, we're gonna make dinner, we're gonna do things, you know, no, we're gonna clean, whatever, do things, make a list. Even you, I'm gonna make a list for the rest of the week as well. We should do that together. Even like if there's a new skill that you want to learn, something to like keep us busy. I've been wanting to bake. I'm gonna do that. I've been wanting to do so many things, but once I got into this narcissistic relationship, I put everything aside and I made this person a priority who ruined my mental health. And you know, part of it is me. I didn't love myself enough to move, to let go, but now I do. You know, I've been betrayed so many times. Enough is enough. I'm good. No, but I just want to be the best version of me. I generally want to heal, and yeah, like starting today, that's what I'm doing.